What up, Big Nate here. So I had those guys come from Texas Pro Detailing, and they came and showed me how to take the orange peel out of these hood vents. But the video got deleted, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is try to make another video, but using this. See how it still got the orange peel in it? And I'll go ahead and make another video how to take that orange peel out. See, this was the first one that we used. We went down to 2500 grit, and then up to 3000 and then we polished it and whatnot. But this one we went down to 2000, and it got almost all the orange peel out of there. And I was just worried that this one, I didn't have enough clear coat on it, so I was kind of worried about going down, but we took that risk. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to AutoZone and get some McGuire stuff and other stuff that I need to knock out this piece. And if it goes good, I'll come back and hit this one with the 2000 and make it look just like this one. And then you know, we'll go from there. So that's what we're doing today. Let's do it. All right, Big Nate's back. Got it all lined out, how we're gonna do it. We're gonna start over here with the 2500 grit, go down to about 2000, see if we get that orange peel down, off, then come back up to 2500, 3000, and then we'll throw some of that ultra cut compound, cut it up with the wool pad. Then next we'll hit that fine cut cleaner, level 4, and then I guess that's a level 3, but it says level 4. The ultra finish polish, and we'll move on to the swirl remover, level 2, and then we'll finish it off with that powder coating polish. You know, got my new powder coating system in from Eastwood, so stoked about that. Let's do it. All right, Big Nate here. So let's get this started. We're gonna go ahead and spray down with some soapy water, and then we're gonna go ahead and start with the 2500 grit, real nice and smooth, evenly, and just keep it moving. Let's do it. Okay, you can already see I'm getting down to the orange peel. That's with the 2500 grit. I'm gonna keep at it a little bit longer. That's probably like a minute worth of wet sanding. And I'm gonna see if I can get it down a little bit more with the 2500, and then from the looks of it, we're probably gonna be dropping down to the 2000. That's what we did on the other panel. So let's keep at it. Let's get this orange peel out. All right, that's about as far as we're gonna get on the 25 grit wet sanding. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it down to the 2000 grit, and just keep it rolling, keep it nice and smooth. Stay away from the edges. You can see how it's all. So let's do it. And I'm just using a little piece of sponge that I got. I got it some soap water on it, you know, keep it soft, and that's what I'm using for a little block. So let's keep it rolling. 2000 grit coming up. Still working that 2000 grit, just letting it do its thing, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. That's with about 2 minutes on the 2000 grit. You can see it coming out. That orange peel still all up in here and here, but it's smoothing out right here. So we're just gonna keep at it with that 2000 and see where it leads us. Let's keep rolling. So this is how it's looking at with the 2500 grit, the 2000 grit, for about 3 minutes now. It's smoothing out. Heck, I might just go with the 1500 for a little bit and see what it does. Feeling a little crazy. I hit it with that 15. Let's do it. 15 grit wet sanding. All right, this is a few minutes with the 1500 grit wet sanding, taking it all out. There's still some on the side right there, but it's getting it. So I'm gonna hit it, I'm gonna hit it a little bit more, and then I'll start going back up to 2000, 2500, 3000, up to 5000 grit. Let's do it. All right, so that's about another 5 minutes on the 3 minutes actually on the 1500 grit. Nice and smooth. I mean, I won't be able to get that. I don't want to dig into it, but it's nice and smooth. So let's go back up 2000 grit. Let's do it. All right, we hit it for a few minutes on the with the 2000 grit, taking off the marks that the 1500 grit put in. It's all nice and smooth. Now we're gonna go ahead and move up to the 2500 grit wet sand. Let's keep it rolling. Coming out nice. All right. That's the 2500 grit, nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit a little bit longer on the 25, and then I'm gonna go up to the 3000 grit. It's coming out good. Shout out to Texas Pro Detailers. Came through, showed me some things. I'll leave their number and their name on the video. Let's keep it rolling. 2500, a little bit more. All right, that's that 3000 grit. It's coming out nice. Knocking out all them marks and other scratches that were in there. 3000 grit for about 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna get the 5000 grit. Let's see what that does. Let's keep it rolling. All right. That's that 5000 grit. It's even finer, softer, smoother. So next we're gonna just cut it. We're gonna use the Ultra Cut Compound by Meguiar's with the wool pad, and let's cut it. Let's get it back. Let's bring it back. That's what we're doing. We're bringing it back. Let's do it. All right. This is 3 passes with the Ultra Cut Compound level 10. It's already coming back. Look at that. It's already coming back. Let's keep rolling. We're gonna go. Next is gonna be a level 4 fine cut cleaner, and then keeping it rolling. Let's do it. For this one, for the fine cut, I'm gonna switch over to the heavy polishing pad, and then we'll go from there. So let me switch over real quick, and keeping it rolling. Let's go. Do it. All right. That's 2 passes with the fine cut cleaner and the heavy polishing pad. Look at that. It's already coming back. So next I'm going to hit it with the ultra finish polish and medium polish pad. Look at that. Looking real good. Midnight metallic blue. Let's do it. All right. That's one pass with the ultra finish polish from Meguiar's. Let's take it out in the sun. Look at it. With the medium polishing pad. Look at that. Oh. Next, we're going to hit it with the swirl and mark remover, and then we'll go from there. But look at that. It's coming out great. Let's do it. All right. Next is the swirl remover, level 2, and the soft polishing pad, or light, whatever. let's just knock it out and see what it looks like. It's coming out good though. Shoot, yeah, I'm a professional. What up? So I ended up doing 2 passes with the Swirl Remover 2.0 from McGuire's. The second pass I went ahead and put on the rated medium polish pad, because there was some fine scratches in there I couldn't get out, and I got most of them out. There's one somewhere right here somewhere. But yeah, next we're going to hit it with some powder coating polish, and it's about ready to go on the slingshot Midnight Madness. Let's check it out. Let's keep it rolling. All right. So for the finale, I'm going to hit it with the buffing pad and some powder coating polish by Eastwood. Great stuff. Been using it. Let's do it, man. Get it ready for the slingshot. There it is, guys. Final results right there. No more orange peel. I hope this video helps somebody out there like me, searching YouTube or whatnot, trying to figure out how to get orange peel out of your powder coat. There it is. There's the steps. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and hit that like button to keep these videos going. Thank you.